Hello everybody, I am here with a new 4 by 4 1/4 2-inch mini album, and this one is school themed, and has the same pockets. I have something stuck to my desk, sorry, it's driving me nuts. These have the same pockets or pages as the last one. It's a conglomeration of my 4 different types of minis. If you want to make these minis yourself, I have a tutorial for all 4 of them and some PDF files and stuff on my blog, so feel free to go look for those. If I remember, I'll link it in the description below. So anyways, obviously this is a teacher mini album. It is great for teachers. It's too late this year to put pictures in it to give for graduation, but it would be great to start off for next year. And it's just a simple small gift, nothing elaborate. So we'll start off. This is the DCWV grade school paper pack, and it is targeted for younger kids. Good journaling or picture spot on the front, and then we fold out here, and all the tags are the same. They do have a reinforcer there, and the backs are plain. Okay, and I'm going to put this up on my Etsy shop along with the first 2. It's a really cute file folder, perfect for teacher. Lots of places to put stuff. And there's a little pocket in this one. Another nice little journaling spot. And this is just a cute little thing. I may count this for you. I bet that there is a spot to put 1 picture of every kid in the class, depending on the size of the class. But I'm going to say that it exceeds the normal 25-ish student mark or page count. And this paper selection is really cute. I think this would be good for black and white or colored photos. So I like this paper. It's got all the different stuff on it. Another little folder page with 2 mats in it. And then there's a tag. All the backs are the same, they just have a belly band and a stopper, and some of them have a little folder and a mat in them, and some of them just have the mats in them. There we go. The back page, another file folder. There you go. And then the back page is a nice spot for either journaling or a picture. So there's the back. There you go. So I appreciate everybody watching, and this will be up on my Etsy store. I will put the link in the description below. And if you want to see more, go to my blog at scrappingposh.blogspot.com, and have a great day. Bye-bye.